Supercharge your crypto security by linking your Crypto.com account with Google Authenticator. Let's get this done. First things first, you'll need to install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Head over to your device's App Store. Whether it's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for Google Authenticator. Once you find it, tap Install. Open the Google Authenticator app. After it's installed, you'll likely see a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started or a similar option. If you have existing accounts, you can choose to import them. But for a new setup, we'll select Continue without an account or Add an account. Now, let's switch over to your Crypto.com app. Navigate to your account settings. Look for a section related to security or two-factor authentication. Tap on this option, and you should see a prompt to enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. Crypto.com will then present you with a QR code. This is the key to linking your accounts. Go back to your Google Authenticator app and select the option to scan a QR code. This will activate your phone's camera. Simply position the camera so it clearly shows the QR code displayed on your Crypto.com app. Once scanned, Google Authenticator will automatically add Crypto.com to your list of Authenticator accounts. You'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. This is your one-time password, or OTP. Now, return to the Crypto.com app. It will ask you to enter the current 6-digit code from your Google Authenticator app. Type in the code carefully before it expires. Success! Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your Crypto.com account. Crucially, you'll also be presented with backup codes. These codes are essential for accessing your account. If you lose access to your phone or the Authenticator app, download them and store them in a safe, offline location. By using Google Authenticator, you've significantly boosted your account's protection. Stay vigilant and keep those backup codes safe.